The Metropolitan Washington Airport's police department is looking for Michael J.E.O. R.G.E. Weissel. Race, white, sex, male, age 79 years old, height 5 foot 9 inches, weight 235 pounds, with blue eyes and white hair. He was last seen on September 3, 2021, at 0109 hours at Dulles Airport, Loudoun County. He was possibly wearing a pullover blue shirt, dark blue or beige pants, black Velcro shoes, square-framed eyeglasses, and a brown wristwatch. He is possibly driving a silver 2005 Pontiac Vibe sedan displaying West Virginia plates DGS-919 Delta Gamma Sierra-919. The missing senior suffers from a cognitive impairment, and the disappearance poses a credible threat to his health and safety, as determined by the investigating agency. Please contact the Metropolitan Washington Airport's Police Department 24/7 dispatch with any information regarding his whereabouts at 703-417-2400, or you may find complete information at twitter.com/VSP Alerts.